Airstream has introduced the new World Traveler 17RB as its most affordable travel trailer. Priced at $64,400, the 17-foot model becomes the brand's new entry-level offering, replacing the 16-foot Bambi as the lowest-priced trailer in the lineup. The World Traveler 17RB was designed with weight savings in mind to expand towing compatibility. It has a curb weight of 3,150 pounds and a 3,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating, allowing it to be towed by smaller vehicles, including compact SUVs and compact pickup trucks. Inside, the trailer features a fixed rear mattress, a front dinette that converts into a bed, an expandable kitchenette countertop, a 2-burner gas stovetop, and a standard 2.1 cubic foot refrigerator. Production is already underway, with first customer deliveries expected later this year, while production for additional global markets is planned to begin in fall 2026.